Okay guys, and now DCP room, dry chemical powder room, which is located nearby the port side manifold. And here, same like CO2, we need before entering, very important, to ventilate. And here we have stay seal, all EMAS symbols, posters that safety is first. Manual call point, and I already run the ventilation maybe for 10 minutes before, and now we will go inside. Let's wait, I will secure the door. Okay guys, come inside, let's check the DCP system. This is nitrogen cylinders, 6 pieces, and over there they are supplying pure nitrogen to these drums. Inside these drums we have dry powder. This is 1000 kilograms, and this drum supplies the powder to starboard side monitor, host station number 4 and number 2. It's smaller, this is bigger. This is 1250 kilograms, and this supply port side monitor 1, 3, 5 host station. As usually you have the instruction all step by step. In case you don't know how to operate the system, you can read it, and easy, really easy. And this is all equipment must have nearby. In case of person not qualified, he can read and properly do and operate the system. There are two types of operations this system: automatic or remote by pilot cylinder, which is activating locally, and after the pressure is coming to this and open this nitrogen cylinders, or this one or that one, depends which area you activated. After, these cylinders will activate automatically, created the pressure, and by this pipe they will go down inside, will create the pressure inside this drum. This powder will start flow up, and by pressure it will open these cylinders, and the dry powder will go inside the system and open these valves and go. It's remote, auto mode. And second one, in case pilot cylinder is not working, you come here, you just take this handle, open this cylinder, it will activate all cylinders by cascade. The nitrogen will go inside. You need to open manually this cylinder, this valves, which area you need to supply the dry powder, and that's all. And it will activate. Also you open this one. All is working manually or remotely, and it will go, and locally you open the handle and start fight the fire by powder. That's why systems is very simple, and principle of operation is very similar. That's why I kindly advise you, just learn one time the method and principle of each system, and you will understand all next system. All ships is very similar. That's why, guys, learn once and for all your seaman practice life. Also, additionally, this is a ventilator, yeah, what we start before enter inside, and this is gas detection system. In case we have gas leak, and this is will every half an hour it takes sample and go to the CCR for analyzing have gas leak or not, and it will give alarm. Thank you for your attention, and let's go on deck. I will show you locally how the pilot cylinders for DCP system is look like. Thank you for your attention. Come on. This is DCP system monitor starboard side. This is a pilot activation cylinder which we have for remote control. And by opening the valves, you will activate the pressure inside, and it will go to the system, to the DCP room, and activate nitrogen cylinders. Here you see the instruction for your guidance. and this is monitor. We have port and starboard. And now I will show you the dry powder hose. And this is this dry powder hose number 5. We have totally 5 pieces on board, from forward to aft. It's located around 20 meters distance between each. And this is instruction how to operate, as I told you. It's very easy. You just open this cylinder and open this valve. Finish. And by operating this handle, you will open and close the hose. You will deploy this hose. Normally before cargo operation we deploy one hose from forward and one hose from aft for manifold, or port side or starboard side. And as I told you before, by opening this pilot cylinder, it's called pilot cylinder, it will give the pressure to the system and will go to dry powder room, activate nitrogen cylinder, and the powder will be by pressurized by nitrogen, it will supply it to this hose. Okay guys, that's all for DCP system. Remember that all system is safe, really safe. You need to know how it's operating, the main principle, and you will know everything. This is basic what you need to know, and that's all. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention and time. Let's go familiar something more. I hope it was interesting. Thank you. Fire main line isolation valve. Totally we have 7 pieces on board, every 25 meters. It's located aft to forward. Here we have 3. This is water coming from engine room. This is going to accommodation area, and this is going to main deck. And by this line we have isolation valve on compressor room and further. And that one for deck spray. Deck spray which in case of fire on deck, you activate it and it's by nozzle, it will spray on deck. We can use or seawater or fresh water, and also as you can see, one small line is for accommodation and another one for deck. And this is going here, and after also going forward, tank, manifold area, booster, deck tanks. Now we are painting happy chief officer. That's why this is honestly the work on board is very simple and nothing special. If you learn one time the basic principles and how the system is operating, after this all other vessels become easy and simple for understanding.